Hello, thank you for watching the Science of Sales video. In this video, we're going to share with you how do you deal with the freeloaders. If you are a professional salesperson, most likely you will receive a healthy number of leads per week. And you probably have a CRM system to help you track your sales activities and to set the follow-up task. This is pretty crucial for a sales professional. You've got to build relationship, keep track, keep in touch with the prospects, with the potential buyers. Now, you know that most sales take more than one meeting to close. Some sales take multiple meetings. Some buyers require follow-up of up to 1 year, 2 years, or even 5 years. Most of these potential buyers, prospects, they are nice people. There is a group who will never purchase anything from you, but they will keep asking you for free things. Could be free advice, free demo kit, free trial session. They will keep asking free things from you, but they will never purchase anything. Sometimes they will even pull a fast one on you, like this. We will purchase soon once we get this from you. We are preparing to sign up. We just need this information. Sounds familiar? The thing is, you're not sure if they are telling the truth. Are they going to purchase soon? What if this time is true? And if you don't provide them with the free things, you're going to miss this opportunity. But you are struggling. You're struggling on keep giving them free things, but they never reciprocate your kindness. Also, you are struggling with time. While you want to provide good service to this group of buyers, the freeloaders, they are taking away your time. And your time got to be used more efficiently, like serving your paid clients. So how do you deal with that? So on one hand, they are your potential buyers, your precious. On the other hand, they keep taking and taking and taking, but they never give. Ask yourself, are you okay with that? Are you fine being exploited in that way? If you are absolutely okay, fine, no problem, then you don't have to watch this video anymore. Okay, you can end this video right now. But if you want to do something different to convert them into a paid clients, continue watching. But before that, please help to like this video and subscribe to the channel. This will absolutely encourage me to continue doing this. Albert Einstein said, if you continue to do the same thing over and over again and expect a different result, that's called insanity. Meaning to say, if you continue to give free things to these freeloaders, they will continue to take advantage of you. Having said that, I'm not asking you to be nasty or rude to them. There is another way to deal with this group. More importantly, convert them into paid clients. First of all, understand the behavior of this group of freeloaders. Freeloaders will go around asking free things from everyone, including you and your competitors. Don't be surprised that you are not the only person whom they ask free things from. They probably ask from your competitors. They might even ask for free masks from their neighbors. And if all their neighbors provide them with one free mask, that could last them a month. Now back to what Albert Einstein has said, if you continue to give them over and over again, the results will not change. So you might want to do something different, something to break their pattern. The world is such that one thing that is sticking out will be remembered. The difference break the norm. If your daily routine is mundane, there is nothing much to remember. But if there's one thing of that one day, something is off, something is different, you will remember that day. Using the same principle to deal with these freeloaders. But there is something else that you need to add on. Before you execute this plan, be prepared. Prepared for what? Prepared that you might lose this buyer. Well, in any case, this person is not buying. They just want free things. So you can take this opportunity to do a clean out. So the benefit of doing this is you can quickly categorize this potential buyer into a paid client or a junk. The way to do something different for these freeloaders is to stop giving, because they think that they are king in the eyes of sales professional. So they will continue to ask for free things, and they know that the sales professional will give them in the hope of these freeloaders purchasing something. By stop giving them is just the first part of breaking their pattern. Now there is a second part, because when you tell them sorry, I can't give you anymore, the conversation ends there. There is nothing for them. You want to stop giving them, but at the same time create a void for them to purchase. This is my personal experience. This freeloader keep asking for free advice, texting me, calling me in the middle of the night, asking for free demo, asking for free 1 month trial session, asking for free trial face-to-face session. And that day when I decided to let her go, this is what I said to her. Miss Buyer, I've given you all that I can give. I have nothing else to give. So I'm telling her, no, I'm not giving you anymore. But in a very different way, in a nice way, but at the same time, I'm creating a void for her to come in. So guess what's the next sentence to me? Yes, that's the next sentence to me. Now, don't get me wrong, she didn't purchase the highest price package. In fact, she purchased the lowest price package. But hey, she turned into a paid client. Oh, yeah! And now I can't justify investing my time with her despite her investing in just the lowest price package. Interestingly, she purchased the second time and I got a positive comment from her, a 5-star rating. Wow! This is one method that I use to convert the freeloaders. I'm going to share with you the second method that I use. The second method is don't tell my boss. When you are executing this second method, you got to have this mindset that this is the last time you're going to give it to them. What I did is when a client comes to me for another free things, I will give them these free things what they ask for, I will give more. And I'll tell them, this is the last time I can give you these free things, these are the things, and I'm going to give you more, and this is what you can do with this free advice, this free demo kit, or this free trial session. This is how you do it. And this will be the most efficient way of using all this free access or this free trial class. But please don't tell my boss, or else I will be fired. Of course, I said it with a joking tone. They'll laugh at it. And at the same time, it creates a void. They know that this is the last time they are getting free things from me. The next time they want something from me, they will have to pay for it. Usually, after saying the statement, don't tell my boss, they will be converted to a paid client. In a way, I'm telling them also, you have asked too much. Hey, you better give me something back. But once again, most of them do not sign up for the highest price package. But hey, even the lowest price package made them a paid client. And that justifies why I should spend time with them. This video provides you some insights to provoke your thoughts in how you can deal with your freeloaders prospect. Do like this video and subscribe to the channel. And thank you for watching the Science of Sales video. Thank you. Bye-bye.